Hi, it's Rick Aranda with Legend Brands. I'm finally home and I'm excited to be able to talk today about the Peak. We're going to be doing some demonstrations of it, running it up and that, and then we're going to get a little bit more in depth onto why I'm actually starting to fall in love with this thing. What we're going to do is we're going to go and actually put it into real world situation, do some cleaning. Going to use the Ultra Pack Extreme. So let's go ahead and get a look at this thing. Let's run it up and let's see why you might want to add the Peak 500 to your arsenal. Get this, okay, it's about a 5-minute setup time plus pre-spray and that, so I'm just doing a little small area here. But I'll tell you what, man, from that 5-minute setup time, I went back outside, checked the gauges, already at 500 PSI running the 6-jet titanium. We're at optimum heat. So of course, it's probably gonna go down a little bit once we start consuming some water, but I don't anticipate it going much lower. My first impressions, I'm pretty impressed with the suction that it's providing. Man, that suction is just, it's right there. I mean, it hits. What I do feel is I'm definitely getting hot on the tube here. That's how I always kind of tell where I'm getting the heat, is you feel that coming back through. So that's pretty good, that's exciting. I'll tell you the byproduct of that engine at 31 horsepower, man, this heat is just crazy. Stainless steel heat exchange coil, this is cool. I'm excited, man, I'm real excited about what this thing's doing. You can kind of hear the airflow on here. We're only about 75 feet from the actual machine itself. And let me see if I can cover this vacuum real quick. Cover that vacuum. You can barely even hear that machine operating. I mean, I think that's huge. I love that. We had a blower go through, somebody doing maintenance over there. That thing was way louder than this Peak. The key that I think on here too, just the ease of operation. No choke, you don't have to worry about a choke. Has the automatic kick on because of the electronic fuel injection. And I'll tell you, what's cool is if you're out there working and you're looking at getting into a Peak, cool thing is it is a California compliant model now, because we have so many units already out of California. They're commenting about how fuel efficient it is. What we're seeing right now, at least in our testing, is right around a gallon of fuel an hour. That's another little thing to consider when you're purchasing your next truck mount. Wow, I gotta tell you, pretty impressed with this unit itself. Very impressed. Couple things are real quick notes that I kind of, just for me, my mechanical instincts are kind of telling me this is going to be a great hit, a big hit, because as I said, the engine on there didn't even bog down at all, didn't even feel like there was a load on the engine itself. So that to me tells me that we once again did kind of a Pro-Chem DNA thing, which is over-engineer, make it last for longevity, you know, over-engineer, which means just put a higher horsepower for the availability that's necessary for the machine so that you can last quite a bit longer. Stainless steel heat exchanger coil, that thing was holding up to the heat like you couldn't believe. It was maintaining about 220. Not too cold out here today, but it's still not bad. But to put it all together, the Ultra Pack Extreme tied in with the Peak 500 is just, I'm pretty impressed, and it fits such a perfect price point. It's right in between the big boys and the medium level units. So get out there to your distributor, ask them to get it on their floor, see if you can get one running. If you could hear that thing running, you'll be sold. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll tell you what, man, we'll be seeing you soon. Have a good day.